Today, we're talking about manufactured homes. Now, don't call them trailers. These are sophisticated factory-built marvels governed by Uncle Sam himself. My name is Jim McDonald, your trusted realtor in the Villages. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To be true, a manufactured home, it's got to have three things. First, a factory berth. It was built entirely indoors, no Florida rain delays here. Number two, the HUD label. Look for that little red certification label that it's the passport proving it meets federal HUD standards, not the local Florida building code. Number three, the skeleton. Every one of these home sites sits on a permanent steel I-beam chassis. It's structural backbone that never leaves the home. So how does a factory home become a Florida foundation? It's a two-step tango. First, the home is rolled in and placed on concrete pier blocks. But here in the Sunshine State, we don't just set it and forget it. We've got the tie-down system, meaning anchors, type 2 anchors, only test and pulling a whopping 4,700 pounds. We also have vertical ties to keep the roof from wanting to become a kite. Diagonal ties snug up every 5 feet 4 inches. It's basically strapping our house to the earth so it stays put when the wind starts to whistle. Let's talk about weather. Yep, in the Villages, these homes are rated for wind Zone 2, that's 100 miles per hour sustained winds. That sounds like a lot, but remember, our site-built neighbors are rated for 135 mile per hour gust. Want some real talk? These homes are not hurricane shelters. History like the 2007 Groundhog Day tornado showed us that even though these homes are sturdy, they're more vulnerable than site-built stick homes or block homes. If an evacuation order drops for mobile home parks, you grab your keys and go. Plus, a little pro tip, thinner walls means you'll feel the heat a little bit more and hear the neighbor's lawnmower a little cleaner. Grab some good curtains and a nice rug. Now, this is where it gets distinctly Villages. Our Architectural Review Committee, right, the ARC, wants these homes looking sharp. Check out the skirting. You won't see cheap lattice here. It's going to be masonry or stucco to match the house. It gives that traditional home vibe we love. But here's the kicker, the hybrid house rule. The core home equals federal HUD code. The lanai, carport, and birdcage meet Florida building code. It's a dual code property. Your house is basically a legal smoothie of federal and state regulations. These homes are the soul of the historic side of the Villages. They represent the origin of our community and offer a lifestyle that's uniquely affordable. Sure, insuring an older model can be a bit of a treasure hunt, but you're owning a piece of Florida dream. So next time you're cruising the historic side in the golf cart, give it a little nod to the steel chassis that started the revolution. Want more information on the homes in the Villages? Click on the link below to my blog. I wrote all about it. I am your 352 Realtor.